Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by cutting power and giving the system a short cool down. This prevents damage while you work. Once unplugged, check intake and exhaust vents visually and blow dust out with compressed air in short bursts. This restores airflow. Make sure the PC sits on a hard, flat surface and the ambient room temperature is below 30 degrees. Poor placement traps heat. Also remove side panels only if necessary and ground yourself to avoid static damage before proceeding to internal steps. Now open the case and focus on heat transfer and airflow, the core causes of overheating. Reseat the CPU cooler and replace old thermal paste using a pea-sized or 0.25 gram amount so conduction improves. Poor contact raises temps. Swap or clean case fans and set them to balanced RPM in BIOS or fan software so airflow matches heat sources. Finally, tidy cables behind the tray to eliminate flow obstructions. Once done, run a stress test and monitor temperatures for stability before closing the case. Finish by addressing software and fallback troubleshooting so you solve both causes and symptoms. Update BIOS, chipset, and GPU drivers, then configure fan curves in your motherboard utility to be more aggressive at higher temps. This controls heat in real time. If components still hit 90 degrees or hotter under load, reduce power targets or redo thermal paste. Sometimes a second application fixes contact errors. If problems persist, test with a known good power supply and check for failing fans. These checks isolate hardware faults quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.